So this is how you make a really cool paper aeroplane. Step 1, make the paper facing landscape and then fold up. Step 2, fold these corners down on both sides. Make sure you fold the same corner down, else it'll look weird. Step 3, don't fold it all the way down, but just fold this little bit down here on both sides. Step 4, you keep your eyes on this bit so it folds down properly. It doesn't matter if this bit goes over the paper though. You should have this cool paper airplane now. Wanna watch me fly it?
Whoa!